Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am discussing new fresh way English grammar class 4 nouns exercises. In the last video I had discussed lesson number 3 nouns exercise 9 and 10 with you. Today we shall discuss kinds of noun. So noun are of 5 kinds: proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, and abstract nouns. Proper and common nouns. First, we will discuss proper and common nouns. So, look at these sentences. Vipul and Aditi are going to school. A boy and a girl are going to school. In sentence 1, we are talking about a particular boy whose name is Vipul and a particular girl whose name is Aditi. Right? In sentence 2, we do not know who is the boy and who is the girl. So, what is the difference between two sentences, children? In first sentence, we know that particular boy and girl, Vipul and Aditi, are going. But in second sentence, we do not know which boy and which girl. We just know only a boy and a girl are going. So, Vipul and Aditi will be proper nouns and boy and girl will be common nouns. In this box, you can see a proper noun is a name used for a particular person, place, or thing. A common noun is a name used for any person, place, or thing. So this is the difference between proper and common nouns. Next we have some more examples of proper and common nouns. Mr. Arun Sharma. This is the name of a particular person, so it will be proper noun. Man, it is common because any man can be there. Similarly, New Delhi, Bias, Indian Ocean, Monday, Taj Mahal, Gita, these all are particular things, like they are specific. So these all are proper nouns. City, river, ocean, day, building, these all are common nouns. Similarly, Mrs. Sarita, India, Arabian Sea, Himalayas, February, Tribune, English, these all are also proper nouns. Woman, country, sea, mountain, month, newspaper, language, these all will be common nouns. Okay, so a note is given: the particular names of a person, street, towns, cities, countries, rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, buildings, books, newspapers, languages, days of the week, months of the year, etc. are all proper nouns. Okay, these all things come under the category of proper nouns, and a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So if you have to identify in a sentence proper noun, its recognition point will be that it begins with a capital letter. Then based on this, we have exercise 11. Match the proper nouns in column A with suitable common nouns in column B. The first one has been done for you. So we are given some proper nouns in column A. We have to match them with their suitable common nouns in B. First is the Red Fort. It is matched with building. The Red Fort is a building. Kolkata. Kolkata is city. September will be matched to month because it is month. Thursday will be matched to day. The Himalayas are mountain, so it will be matched to mountain. Yamuna, river. Hindi is language. India is country. The Indian Express, newspaper. The Shatabdi Express, train. So in this way we will match column A with column B. Okay, next we have exercise number 12. In this we have to draw a single line under the proper nouns and circle the common nouns. The first one has been done for you. Okay, so Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is underlined because Mumbai is a proper noun and city is a common noun because city can be anyone. Second is the Ganga is a long river. So Ganga is the proper noun, river is common noun. London is the capital of England. London and England are proper nouns, capital is common noun. January is the first month of the year. January is the proper noun, month and year are common nouns. Ashoka was a great ruler of our country. Ashoka is the proper noun, ruler and country are common nouns. The Himalayas are in the north of India. Himalayas and India are proper nouns, north is common noun. We saw the Red Fort and the Qutub Minar. So Red Fort and Qutub Minar both are proper nouns. Sarita and Savita read in Shivalik Public School. Sarita, Savita, Shivalik Public School. These all three are proper nouns. The Ramayana is a holy book. Ramayana is proper noun, book is a common noun. My friend Kamal will go to Kullu in June. So friend is common noun because friend can be anyone. Kamal, Kullu, June, these three are proper nouns. You can see they all start also with capital letters, all the proper nouns. Next we have exercise 13. A person who cultivates the land is called a farmer. Give the names of the person who. So we are given a box here. We have given the list. From this we have to choose this, that who are these persons. Sells medicines and drugs. This will be chemist. Second is operates on sick people. This will be surgeon. Third is guides a ship or an aeroplane. Pilot. Stitches clothes. Tailor. Works on a ship. Sailor. Makes chairs and tables. Carpenter. Travels for pleasure. Tourist. Sells fruits and vegetables. Greengrocer. Carries luggage. Porter. Administers the law. Judge. So we are done with the exercise 13. I hope you all are clear up till here. In the next video we will discuss collective nouns. Till then, finish these exercises. Take care students. Bye bye.